In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present Canva in Zoom. If you've ever tried to share a presentation during a Zoom meeting and ended up showing the wrong window, your desktop, or notes that were supposed to stay private, you know how stressful that can be. The good news is that Canva and Zoom work really well together once everything is set up properly. And the process is actually quite simple when you know what to click. To begin, open Canva either in your web browser or in the Canva desktop app. Then open the presentation you want to use. It's a good idea to start here so you can make sure the correct slide deck is ready before anyone in your Zoom meeting sees anything on your screen. This also helps you avoid flipping through unrelated tabs or files later. Once your presentation is open, don't jump straight into a normal full screen presentation. Instead, go to the top toolbar in Canva, click Present, and choose Presenter View. Then click the Present button to launch it. This is the key step if you want a smooth experience. Canva will open two separate windows for you. One window shows the presentation exactly as your audience should see it, and the other gives you your private presenter tools such as speaker notes and upcoming slides. After that, open Zoom and either start your meeting or join the meeting you plan to present in. When you're inside the meeting, look at the toolbar at the bottom and click Share Screen. Zoom will then show you all the windows currently open on your computer. Here's where you need to be careful. Do not choose your entire desktop because that could expose your private notes or anything else on your screen. Instead, select only the Canva presentation window that displays the audience-facing slides. This keeps your presentation clean and professional while allowing you to keep your presenter dashboard private. Before you click the final share button, look toward the lower left area of the Zoom sharing window and check the option for Optimize for Video Clip. When you do that, Zoom will also enable sound sharing. This can improve how transitions, animations, and embedded media appear to your viewers, especially if your Canva presentation includes motion or video. Now click Share. Zoom will place a green outline around the window being shared, which confirms exactly what your audience can see. At this point, move your private Canva presenter window to a second monitor if you have one, or place it beside your Zoom gallery if you're working on one screen. That way you can keep track of your notes while still presenting confidently. And that's it. You're now ready to present your Canva slides in Zoom smoothly, clearly, and without exposing